Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble a BMW Key to change the battery, BMW 2 Series. Before I start, I want to mention our channel, Service Reset My Car. We reset all kind of cars. Service resets, oil change resets, tire pressure resets. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and place a like button. Thank you. As I said before, I'm gonna start with disassembling the key. This is the key for a BMW. Nothing special about it. There are 3 buttons: open button, close button, which has been erased by using many times, and the trunk button. Yes. Further, there are no special things about it. Just this button, we're gonna use it, this button, to take out the stick. Press that button, take the stick out. You can use the stick to open the door if your battery is dead. To take out the battery of the key, I mostly use the stick. I recommend for you to do that also. We stick it over here, and you hear it click, like that. And once you click that, you can open it, a little bit of force, like this, and the battery is already out. The battery has to be placed with the positive side on this side. And what kind of battery is there? This is a 2032 battery. That's important for changing it or replacing the battery. You have to ask for the same kind of battery. Other batteries may cause any damage to your key. Place it back. I want to mention our channel, Service Reset My Car. If you have a car you can't reset, ask about it in the comment area. We service reset all kind of cars, oil change, tire pressure, any kind of reset you don't know about. Just ask me on the comment area. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up for our videos. Bye bye.